In this particular lesson, you are going to learn how to create list. There's two types of list. One is unordered list. The other one is ordered list. For this particular lesson, we are going to focus on unordered list first. In order for you to create an unordered list, you have to have the unordered list tag. So you use UL. UL is unordered list. You open the list and you close the list. You cannot do much here. So in order for you to put in the items in the list, you have to use the LI tag. LI means list item. Where to put the LI? It's between the UL and the closing UL tag. Here I put LI and I close my LI. I can put another one, LI, and I close my LI. In between the open LI and the closing LI tag, this is where you put in your items. For example, if you have a list of colors, you can put the list of colors between the LI tags. Let's start with red. Then we have yellow. If you want to add more, you can add more. Blue. This is an unordered list. If I save this and I run, I execute using a browser, this is what I will get. This is a list of items. Can you see? By default, if I did not do anything, by default, the bullets will be a dot, a black dot. Let's say you do not like this black dot. What you can do is, you can change it. You have two other options. One is a circle, the other one is a square. So how to change the pattern of the dot, the pattern of the bullet? Go to your UL tag, give a space, and you can put type equals to, you can put square if you want a square. Save, refresh, you'll get a square. Let me zoom in for you. So this is a square. Okay. If you want it to be a circle, then you type circle as the type. Save, and you'll have, at your browser, you have a circle pattern. Remember, there's no sequence to this. That's why they call it as unordered list. There's no sequence. If you want to go back to the black dot, you can also do this. Disc. D-I-S-C. Disc. Refresh. You'll get back your black dot. This is how an unordered list look like, and how to change the pattern. Let's say you have a sub list, meaning under yellow, let's say this is your list item. Under this particular list item, you want to have a sub list. You can do that. What you can do is go to the end of yellow, enter, and put in a new list. UL, close your UL, and you can put in the item list. Meaning for yellow, maybe I have light yellow. Maybe I can have lime yellow, and I want this particular list to be circle. So I put type equals to circle. Save this and refresh. So this is what I will get. Okay, I have the list, the main list, and under yellow I have a sub list. So wherever you want to have a sub list, you can put in another list code inside. Let's do it for blue. So under blue, I want to have another sub list. So what I do, I put UL. I want it to be square. So I put type square, close it, always open and close. And the list item will be bluish gray, and maybe I'll have a darker shade of gray. So this particular sub list will be with the square bullet. Save, and I have that. So this is how you can create a list with a sub list.